Hey guys, it's ITBT. I'm back after many days with another video. It's been a long time since I last made any videos, so let's get started. So guys, today's videos will be all about how to record with Bandicam on really low end PCs like potato PCs. So let's get started. And let me show you first my properties and my PC config, and you can see it's Intel Core 2 Duo E7400 2.8 GHz and only 4 gigs of DDR2 RAM, which I cannot show you right now, but trust me, it's real DDR2 RAM. And my device manager, here we have my display adapter, which is GD1030. I recently upgraded my graphics to GD1030. It's the DDR5 version, so not the DDR4, the real one. And yeah, that's it. Let me just show you how I record. So first of all, the GD1030 doesn't support recording features, so you cannot record any game with GeForce or with anything basically, or the Windows DVR, the game mode or anything. So it's really tough to record games with very less frame drops. The best option you got right now is Bandicam, which, let me show you. I have recorded a few games, my Far Cry, Black Squad. So let me show you my video config. So first of all, it will be like this, and yeah, it will be like something like this. So what you want to do is, since you have a really low end PCs, what you have to do is make sure it's AVI and click the 720p and 30 frames FPS. And what I do is click this one, the YV12 here. This basically does is records the whole raw video output without compressing or putting it into any format. It's just raw video, and trust me, it's really big file size. And in the audio, we'll go to PCM and let it be like this and select OK. So let me just show you another time. AVI 720p 30 FPS and YV12. You must be sure to click this YV12. So if you click YV12, your PC is just going to record it with raw, no compression, no file format, anything. It's just raw video. So they will have no impact on your PC, no impact on your processor, CPU or anything, or even graphics card. Just let it be YV12. And the PCM will be your audio, and clicking OK. And first of all, you will have really big file size. For me, it was like at 2 minutes of gameplay was like 10 gigabyte of file for just 2 minutes. So what I used to compress that video was, let me show you, I used Handbrake. So it's another really good feature, a featureful software. When I use Handbrake, it just shrinks it to very small size. For example, my 2 minutes of gameplay was about 10 gigs, but when I used Handbrake, I turned it down to something like 20 megs. Yeah, that's really small and really high compression rate, especially if you are doing with raw files, which I have. So yeah, you have to use this. And to make sure that I have show you that I have recorded and it is running really good, I'll go to home, and show you my Far Cry gameplay. See, it's only 137 megabytes. That's because I just compressed it with Handbrake. Otherwise it was like something like 5 or 6 gigabytes. So let's just hit play. Let's see how the game record is. So you can see about like almost 24, 25 FPS, which is not bad actually. So let me Yeah, you can see my video recording is really good, but since I'm recording this video with my Camtasia already, so that's why the frame rate drop even more. So that's not a big problem. The fact is that with such a low end PCs, my processor is from 2009, the Intel Core 2 Duo, that's from 2009, about almost a decade. So I can still run games on about 25 to 30 FPS with that 2009's PC. So not bad for that. So if you are even higher PC configuration like a Core i3, first or second gen Core i3, then you have no problem with that. Let me show you again. Be sure to have this preset, the 720p 30 fps YV12, and audio should be PCM, and just click it save, and you can record your games anytime. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because I'll be having more tutorials and videos like this, and catch you in the next one.